Well, howdy folks. Here's a cool one we thought you might like. It's a 1994 Ford F350. Now, this is a four-wheel drive extra cab, four-door, Arizona truck. Got some paint fading on the hood. It had some paint fading down here as well. We kind of buffed it out briefly to see how it would come out, and it actually didn't come out too bad. This side looks better than the other side. We're gonna go check out the other side in a minute. But what you're gonna find about this truck is a couple things. It's got 16-inch wheels with new tires, dual tanks that work, no corrosion or rust on the rockers anywhere, thanks to being in Arizona. I've got some of the original warranty paper, like a warranty card on this car, where it was originally purchased here in Tucson. And I mean, the grill's got some, in the headlight areas, they have some crinkling of the chrome. But it's a very solid, good running truck. It's a 460, fuel injected, air conditioning works. So this is where it had a mirror. It looked like it got torn off or fell off at one time. You see the holes. Window tint's getting a little old. Granted, it's not perfect, but man, I tell you, this thing would clean up nice with a little bit of work. Some new window tint, and I don't know. You could probably leave the paint as it is if you wanted to drive it as a work truck, because that's kind of basically what it was. The bed's real clean. Dirty, but as far as like rot or rust, no, nothing. Pictures all verify that are up close. Tailgate's super clean. And again, the bed. Tailgate is a little hard to open, but I have got it open. It's like a two-hand process. The interior of this truck, also very nice. We're gonna look under the hood too. Interior, could use a new door panel. Could probably use a couple switches. Actually, it actually comes with some brand new switches that for the power windows. They have not yet been installed. Trying to do this a little quick, folks, because light's getting my enemy. Center console, the seats are in good shape, the headliner's in good shape for it, especially for its age. I think it's got about 200,000 on it. It runs really well. It was a daily driver for this gentleman who had it, and he just needed something smaller. Yeah. Okay. Back seat. Dome light works back here, yeah, or the cargo light. There's some extra parts that come with it, some switches and such. Cup holders, center console, center armrest. I'm sure you guys want to look under the hood. It's very clean as well under the hood. Then we'll go for a quick ride. Let's see here. Hood pop. So there's under the hood, a little dirty, and it was kind of a work truck. Unmodified, all original. I believe it's R134 instead of R12, converted maybe, or it was like that from the factory. I thought one of these had said that. Maybe it was that. Climate. I thought I saw something around here about AC. But here's see here. A little bit more under the hood. Power brakes, of course. Got all the cool options from back in the day. And it's a truck anyone would love to own, including yours truly. I'd love to keep this thing, but I can't. Close the hood. Done looking at the engine. Go for a quick ride. Look underneath it real quick. Maybe listen to some beasties. Nice steering stabilizer. Let's see. I think they're Rancho shocks. Usually Rancho are those colors. But the pictures might show this a little better as far as no rust. But that's not. I mean, our feedback speaks for itself. The chrome is actually really nice on the bumper. Tires are almost brand new. Let's open this side real quick. This door I could not open. It is locked. So if you get it unlocked, it'll open. But the power locks, yeah, that's one thing that wasn't working. Original owner's manual. Originally sold here in Tucson at Untitled Ford. Pretty cool. Center console's not in bad shape. Oh. Beasties are always cool. So I'm sure the roof is very faded. Not that you can see it, but if you're gonna buff the rest of it out, buff the roof out too, why not? And the hood. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Go a little bit more. Underneath. Nice and rust free. I think it's the original freaking muffler. Not bad. Factory Ford muffler gets 200,000 miles on it. And rear end. Possibly the original spare. Our light's almost gone. We're gonna drive it back to the shop. And yeah, so let's drive it back and see what doesn't work. I think all the power windows work. Just the power box weren't all working. AC blows cold. Oh, that's right. So the AC is blowing out the vent. It's not changing to the vents. So generally speaking, that's usually an easy fix. A lot of time, well, I don't know if it's vacuum related, but anyway. So it's blown cold to the top and maybe a little bit by the floor, but not out the vents. Oh, no radio. How about that? So AC works. You just got to change the get the control panel to change it to the proper exit. I love driving this truck. It's a beast. A beast. Yield sign. Yeah, good luck. I ain't yielding in this. I just keep driving. Ah, one more thing. It's gonna need some brakes soon, definitely. Yeah, brakes feel a little mushy. I think my guy looked at them and said it's gonna be front brakes, possibly rear also. I mean, it's running and driving and stopping, but I think if you want to, one of the first things you'd want to address are the brakes. Dome light works. Tail lights. But yeah, I mean, check the rear drums. Check the front brakes. The emissions are good up till in Tucson until June. It's always nice. No check engine lights, nothing weird like that. Oopsie. The little knob just fell. Okay, the lights. So that knob's loose, just so you know. Headlights work. But there you go, folks. 94 F350 4x4 extra cab long bed. Nice looking Alcoa style wheels. I'm not sure what brand they are. Oh, one other quick thing. Glad I keep stuff pops in my head and I forget to tell you. It's got a small exhaust leak under the hood, especially when it's cold. A little tick, tick, tick. Don't know where it's coming from, but that's for next person to figure out. Right now you can't hear because it's warmed up, but it's definitely obvious when it's cold. High beams, low beams. Like the song says, let's get ready to go. Sorry the windshield's so dirty, but yeah, it's dirty. Yeah, you can see so well, can't you? So great. Let's video this. Oh, speedometer also not properly working. I think we did actually narrow that down to a speed sensor, which oddly enough might be in the rear end. So yeah, you can see what it's doing there. So it could need the speeds. CAC works. But that's our beast. Not from the east. Yeah, definitely want to do some brakes on this soon. And thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to Republica. Thanks for checking out our Ford F350. Uh-oh, I hear sirens. Wasn't me. Bitchin', huh? I don't mind the running boards. They're actually kind of like useful. What an appropriate song. Red Skies. And it's a red truck. And they're playing Red Skies by The Fix. Appropriate. Anyway, we know it runs good, drives good. Get those brakes working better in the future. And have a really badass truck. Hey, kitty cat, where are you going? Nah, you don't go over there. Let's go eat. Bye, folks.